Welcome to Maxhine, where giant trees fall and machines roar through the forest. Power and precision combine, turning every task into a dramatic battle with nature. Here, you'll witness legendary machines crushing stumps, slicing massive logs in seconds, cutting heads working with clean precision, and 6x6 trucks with skidders conquering mud and forests with ease. Maxhine, the art of domination through power and efficiency.
Pesolato VSP 6060 is a combined wood processing machine operated by one person, integrating cutting and splitting stations for handling large diameter logs. Its smart design optimizes the workflow, ensuring high efficiency and labor savings. Touchful RCI 400 easily transforms giant logs into firewood thanks to its automatic feeding system and 400mm cutting capacity. The machine operates smoothly, precisely, and powerfully, each movement quick and efficient, like a pure mechanical performance. The machine demonstrates absolute power by debarking heavy raw logs in just seconds with high speed and absolute precision, leaving no waste or errors. Nisula 555C, mounted on Volvo 145, a true forest monster, is powerful and efficient. Its 555C cutting head processes wood quickly and precisely, from felling, cross-cutting to delimbing, neatly and decisively. This large capacity wood chipper produces 14 cubic meters of firewood per hour, operating quickly, consistently, and effortlessly, crushing tree trunks almost without rest. Spec Truck TMF is unloading wood from the Volvo quickly and precisely. This heavy-duty listing machine operates powerfully, stably lifting and lowering large bundles of wood, demonstrating impressive efficiency in industrial wood handling. This real beast easily handles tree stumps with its sturdy design and powerful gripping jaws, uprooting and cutting large stumps in just a few steps, making forest clearing quick, efficient, and convincing. Nisula N5, combined with the 500H cutting head, handles frozen logs with chilling precision, neatly debarking them in seconds, even on thick, icy terrain. Born to dominate the forest. MS661 and MS500i, two top machines, confront a stubborn log, showcasing the power of two warriors in an intense competition with roaring engines and flying sawdust. Premier RT3400 is a high-performance rotary saw, offering superior tree pruning and easily handling even the toughest branches, making tree maintenance faster, more precise, and more efficient. The giant saw demonstrates pure power, easily cutting through large logs with superior force and size. It dominates the sawmill like a beast, transforming massive logs into small pieces at astonishing speed, being the ultimate powerhouse in the world of logging. The man truck, carrying giant logs, conquers the river with pure power, demonstrating unwavering determination. The Vermeer chipper is a real beast, easily crushing large stumps with its powerful rotating disc. Brutally effective and capable of dominating any job site. Sunrise Excavating's Stump Splitter, designed for easy one-person operation, implements an efficient extraction process. They collect stumps for land development companies and sell the wood for fuel, maximizing resource value. Black Splitter S2 with conical design splits hardwood efficiently, reduces pressure, ensures safety, and ideal for large volumes. A woodcutter tackling a giant log shows precision, focus, and power.
The scene of handling a tree trunk on a vehicle reveals unprofessional operators due to a lack of smooth coordination.